Hello, in lecture number 9, we will study the implementation of gate using NOR gate. We already studied that the implementation of gate using NAND gate. In this lecture, we will study that implementation of gate using NOR gate. First, NOT gate using NOR gate. These are some same steps related to the implementation. First, draw the symbol of NOR gate. This one is the symbol of NOR gate. Then second step is the draw the mathematical expression of NOR gate. Mathematical expression of NOR gate is the y is equal to a plus b bar. Now in third step, the symbol of NOT gate. This one is the symbol of NOT gate. And in fourth step, put a is equal to b in mathematical expression of NOR gate. Y is equal to a plus b bar is the mathematical expression of NOR gate. In this expression, put a is equal to b. In this expression, put a is equal to b. So instead of write here a, instead of write here b, here writing as the a. So a plus a is nothing but a, and y is equal to a bar is the mathematical expression of NOT gate. Y is equal to a bar is the mathematical expression of NOT gate, and we will draw here the NOT gate using NOR gate only here. Now AND gate using NOR gate only. First draw the symbol of NOR gate. This one is the symbol of NOR gate. Now draw the mathematical expression of NOR gate. Y is equal to a plus b bar is the mathematical expression of NOR gate. Then third, symbol of AND gate. This is the symbol of AND gate. The symbol of AND gate is the, this one is the symbol of AND gate, and mathematical expression of AND gate is the y is equal to ab. Now take double inversion of AND gate. Y is equal to ab double bar. But in this mathematical expression of AND gate, here the multiplication is present here. Here the mathematical expression multiplication is present. So there is necessary to convert it into ORing. There is necessary to convert it into the ORing. Why? Because NOR gate, in NOR gate there is a which mathematical expression are present, or mathematical expression are present. For that purpose we apply the De Morgan's theorem. Here the first bar is as it is, and apply the De Morgan's theorem in these equations. Apply De Morgan's theorem in this equation. So in this equation answer is the a bar plus b bar. Now here how many bars are present? First bar, second bar, third bar. So there is necessary to draw three NOR gates. First NOR gate is the a is converted into a bar. Second NOR gate is converted b into b bar, and third NOR gate is converted into a bar plus b bar. This equations is converted into this circuit diagram. Now OR gate using NOR gate. First draw the symbol of NOR gate. Second one, draw the mathematical expression of NOR gate. The mathematical expression of NOR gate is the y is equal to a plus b bar. Now third point is the symbol of NOR gate. This one is the symbol of OR gate. In fourth step, the mathematical expression of OR gate. The mathematical expression of OR gate is the y is equal to a plus b. So taking double inversion of mathematical expression. Taking the double inversion. So here I am writing as y is equal to a plus b double bar. Here I am writing as the a plus b double bar. A plus b double bar is equal to the a plus b, because in ANDing law or ORing law, a double bar is nothing but a. So a plus b double bar is equal to the a plus b. Here how many bars are present? Two bars are present. So there is necessary to draw here the two NOR gates. First NOR gate is the a plus b bar, and in second NOR gate is the a plus b double bar. So this one is the final mathematical expression is converted into this circuit diagram. In third point, NAND gate using NOR gate. In third point, NAND gate using NOR gate. NAND gate using NOR gate. First, there is necessary to draw the symbol of NOR gate. Then second one, draw the mathematical expression of NOR gate is the y is equal to a plus b bar. Third point is the symbol of NAND gate. This one is the symbol of NAND gate. In fourth point, the mathematical expression of NAND gate is the y is equal to a b bar. So there is necessary to take double inversion. This one is the mathematical expression a b bar, and taking double bar is nothing but here I am writing as the 2 bar complement. But here the which mathematical function is present? Ending mathematical function is present. So there is necessary to convert into the ORI. For that purpose we apply the De Morgan's theorem. So a plus ab bar is nothing but ab bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. A b bar is nothing but a bar plus b bar. So this bars is taken as it is, and this a b bar is converted into a bar plus b bar. Here the how many complements are present? Bars are present. This one is the first bar, this one is the second bar, this one is the third bar, this one is the fourth bar. So there is necessary to draw how many NOR gates? 4 NOR gates. First NOR gate, second NOR gate, third NOR gate, and fourth NOR gate. First one a is converted into a bar, b is converted into b bar, third complement is the a bar plus b bar bar, and fourth complement is the a bar plus b bar double bar. So this mathematical expression converted into this circuit diagram. Now next implementation is the XOR gate using NOR gate. XOR gate using NOR gate. First step is the draw the symbol of NOR gate. Second one is the draw the mathematical expression of NOR gate. Mathematical expression of NOR gate is the y is equal to a plus b bar. Third one is the symbol of XOR gate. This one is the symbol of XOR gate, AB, A XOR B. The mathematical expression of XOR gate is the A bar B plus AB bar. Now taking the double inversion of this mathematical expression. So we are taking as the A bar B plus AB bar double bar. Now here which mathematical functions are present? Here the addition functions are present. Here the addition functions are present, but in between a bar b and a b bar there is the multiplication functions are present. See here the addition functions are present, but a bar b in this here the multiplication functions are present. Here also multiplication functions are present. So these multiplication functions is converted into the addition function. So for that purpose apply the De Morgan's theorem. Apply the De Morgan's theorem. So first bar is taken as it is, and in second steps a bar b bar and a b bar bar. This is the De Morgan's theorem. Now this bar is same as it is, then apply again De Morgan's theorem. So a double bar plus b bar and a bar plus b double bar. But a double bar is nothing but a and b bar, and this b double bar is nothing but b, and same as it is a bar. So final expression is the a plus b bar in first bracket, and in second bracket a bar plus b. This bar is the common. Now take double inversion. Why taking as the double inversion? Because here the multiplication sign is present, here addition sign is present, but here the multiplication sign is present. So this multiplication is converted into the addition. For that purpose there is necessary to take the double inversion method. So a plus b bar in first bracket, in second bracket a bar plus b bar double bar. So here taking as the De Morgan's theorem. Due to this De Morgan's theorem, this multiplication sign is converted into the addition. So a plus b bar bar plus a bar plus b bar. So how many bars are, how many complements or bars are present? This one is the first bar, second bar, third bar, fourth bar, fifth bar, sixth bar. So how many NAND gates are required? Here the 6 NAND gates are required. See here, first NAND gate, second NAND gate, third NAND gate, fourth NAND gate, fifth NAND gate, and sixth NAND gate. there is necessary to implement first one, after that implement second one, and after that these two bars are complement. So b is converted into b bar, and by using this NOR gate we can get here the a plus b bar bar. In second, a is converted into a bar, and after that we get here the a bar plus b bar. Then here the is these two equations are applied to the fifth De Morgan's theorem. Then we get here the a plus b bar bar plus a bar plus b bar bar. And in after that last one is the here is the this here is the last De Morgan's theorem. See here, this one is the last De Morgan's theorem. There is a double bar, and after that here also get here the double bar method. Now last method is the XNOR gate using NOR gate. XNOR gate using NOR gate. Draw the symbol of NOR gate, taking the mathematical expression of NOR gate, then draw the symbol of XNOR gate, then after that write the mathematical expression of XNOR gate. This one is the mathematical expression of XNOR gate. Mathematical expression of XNOR gate is the a bar b bar plus ab. Now take the double inversion here. A bar b bar plus ab. This one is the double inversion method. After that apply this. Here is the multiplication process present. Here is also the multiplication process present, but this multiplication process is converted into the addition. For that purpose there is necessary to apply De Morgan's theorem. This one is the first De Morgan's theorem. Here the addition is converted into the multiplication, and again apply second De Morgan's theorem. So a double bar plus b double bar in first bracket, and in second bracket here is also apply De Morgan's theorem. So a bar plus b bar. This De Morgan's theorem is the here, and this De Morgan's theorem is the here. So getting at this bar is as it is, a double bar is nothing but a, b double bar is nothing but b, a bar plus b bar, and all over this one is the bar. Now there is necessary to take double inversion method. Why take double inversion method? Because in these two equations multiplication sign is present, and this multiplication sign is converted into the addition, because in NOR gate addition sign is present. So taking as the double inversion method. After taking double inversion method, first we get here the a plus b bar, in second we get here the a bar plus b bar bar. After that how many complements are here present? Here the first complement, second complement, third complement, fourth complement, fifth complement, sixth complement. So there is necessary to require 6 NOR gates. So first NOR gate, second NOR gate, third NOR gate, fourth NOR gate, fifth NOR gate, and sixth NOR gate. In first NOR gate we get here the a plus b bar. In second NOR gate we get here the a bar plus b bar bar. In second NOR gate we get here the a bar plus b bar bar. And in third NOR gate, fifth NOR gate we get here the a plus b bar plus a bar plus b bar bar after that, and after that this NOR gate apply the again this double bar. This is the final expression. After solving this final expression we get here the a bar b bar plus ab. Here the implementation of NOR gate, implementation of different types of gate using NOR gate. If any queries related to this lecture, then you will ask me.